So guys, in this video what we're going to do is that we are going to create a purchase order in SAP, both using ME21N, which is a SAP transaction as you can see on my screen, and also we will do the same thing using the same data by using SE38 program. Let's go to ME21N. In ME21 we are going to enter only the essential mandatory data which is required. Let's go to the header data which we have to enter. Org data, purchase org, purchase group and company code. This data I've already found out by doing some R&D. Let's enter supplier also, that is also required. And for item level we have to enter material, quantity, item number is optional but let's enter it. And then plant we have to enter. Everything else is optional. Let's check again. Yeah. Now let's save the transaction. Great, we have a purchase order which has been generated. Let's see that. Yep. Do purchase order creation through a program. Let me name the program as some sort of a test program. Create random title, type executable 1, and set it's a test program. Let me enter a package and a transport request. So now we have a program. Let me add some data declarations which I have already typed out. So these are the fields which would be required for creation of purchase order: header, item data, schedule lines, and then we also will get a purchase order back. So that is also declared. So this is the same data which we entered through ME21N, same company code. Document type has to be standard one in our current test. Now whatever data we have entered, we also have to enter X in a corresponding work area. So they both have to match each other. If we enter a company code, then we have to enter a cross for the company code. This is the item data, same material number and plant, everything. Here I have given the item number which has to be created as 10. You can name it differently depending upon your system configuration. And now I think what we should do is let me okay, so this is the schedule which we'll be doing. In this example we are going to deliver the entire quantity in one go. Let entire 10 will be delivered. Let me change the date in the future. And the BAPI which we need to call be okay, so same X we also have to copy. Let me copy the BAPI. Yep, this is the one. So now here we have to map the header which we have created with the header item with the item schedule line with the schedule lines. Let me enter that. So this will give us the purchase order which would be created by the BAPI. Errors, if any, would be returned here. Item level data, um, which contains the material number, etc. And the schedule, like how much quantity will be delivered, which we have just specified above. Yeah, we have entered everything, imported everything, that's right. Now let's check for any error handling, etc. If the purchase order is available or not available. If it is not initial, so it means we have got it and we have to commit it to the database. And let's print it on the screen also. And if there is an error while creating the purchase order, we handle it here. Okay, let's save it. And let's go to the selection screen. We'll pick up the okay, now there is nothing there in the selection screen, so yes, let's activate everything. Let's have a look. Header, item, schedule lines, BAPI, imported, and error handling. All good. Let's run the program. Yes, the purchase order is created. Let's copy this one and go to ME23N to check it. Oh, it's already opened. Okay, standard PO created for NB vendor, which we gave material number. Rest of the data got defaulted or the one which we entered. Yep, all looks good. Item number is also 10. Yeah, so this is working fine now. Great.